Hi, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 things you can do to make your WordPress website more secure. So let's get started. Maintaining a website is as important as designing it. Once you design and deploy your website, the work is not done. You should make regular updates to your website to make it secure and save yourself from the hackers. WordPress is a popular content management system, and a lot of people use WordPress to create their websites because it is easy and quick to get everything working. But you should also take into consideration the aspect of security when it comes to a website. You should take the important measures of security of your website whenever necessary. So here are the 5 things you can do to make your WordPress website more secure. The first thing you need to do if you have a WordPress website is to set a strong password for your WordPress admin. Don't set passwords like 123456 or admin or password or anything like that. You should create a long password. The longer the password is, the secure it is. You should also mix lowercase characters, uppercase characters, numbers, and even symbols to create a secure password. You should also make sure that your password shouldn't have any connection with your personal information, and also try to use words that are not in the dictionary. An SSL certificate is absolutely necessary for a website today. A website with an SSL certificate will have an HTTPS in the URL. Google also favors sites with SSL certificate in displaying the search results. So if you really want to get traffic to your website from search engines, you need to have an SSL certificate for your website. If you are planning to have an e-commerce website or you want to process credit card details of the visitor, then an SSL certificate is mandatory. It helps to pass this sensitive data to the server by encrypting it. You can also get free SSL certificates from services like Cloudflare. There are many other services which help you get an SSL certificate. There are paid as well as free ones. One more thing you can do to make your WordPress website more secure is by changing the login URL of your WordPress website. The login URL that WordPress sets for your website by default is your website name /wp-admin. If you don't change this URL, then a hacker can use brute force attack to try different usernames and password combinations. If you have a strong password, then it won't be a big worry, but why would you take any chances? So there's a plugin in WordPress called WPS Hide Login, which helps you change the login URL of your website. Now once you have changed the login URL, no one knows the login URL of your website, and it will eliminate even the chance of guessing your username and password for the hacker. WordPress releases updates regularly. Whenever developers find some vulnerability in WordPress, they update the source code to fix those issues in WordPress. So you should always check whether you have the latest version of WordPress installed. You should also update the plugins that you use in your WordPress website along with the WordPress updates, because a hacker can gain access to your website even if you have a vulnerability in your plugin. If you have any unused plugins in your WordPress website, you should remove them because hackers can find some security issues in them and can gain access to your website. In the same way, if you have any unused themes on your website, you should remove them as well. One more thing with themes and plugins is that you should never use nulled or cracked themes or plugins on your WordPress website. Nulled themes are basically premium themes distributed illegally for free. Most of these nulled themes and plugins come with malicious code in them. This can be a huge risk for your website, so always purchase premium themes and plugins, or you can use good free themes and plugins as well. Hosting is one of the major ways in which a website gets hacked. So if you're using some cheap hosting service just to save some money, then you might be inviting hackers to your website. So I would encourage you to switch to a reliable hosting service which provides better security. Just do some research before choosing your hosting service and check which are the ones that are reliable. Alright, that's it for this video. These are the 5 things you can do to make your WordPress website secure. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and click on the like button if you found this useful. Thank you and have a nice day.